Alright, I just received my little wireless portable speaker. This is by TNG. This brand is from China. I know with the whole pandemic that's going on, probably shouldn't be getting shit from there, but there's this app called DH Gate. DH Gate. D as in David, H as in Henry, Gate. And my buddy buys a lot of good shoes from there. I guess they're all from the same factory from China, where they come from, and you get it at a discounted price just because it does not have the brand name on it. So this is supposed to be like a JBL. It looks good. Has all these functions. For a chip, USB, headphone jack, comes with a set of Chinese instructions. literally. Oh, it's in English too. And that's what it comes with. I'll go ahead and connect this to my phone. Oh, that's pretty. Oh,
Bluetooth mode.
that's pretty dope. And we'll go ahead and connect this and we'll see what's up. Alright, so here I have my Bluetooth option open. Go ahead and select it. And yes, I want to pair it. They're connected. Sweet. Let's see if we could get some monetize free songs in here. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Dang, it's not gonna allow me to record audio and play music at the same time, but it sounds pretty good. You could kind of hear it before I switched over to the front camera. I like it. Sounds good. Speaker here, and a speaker in the middle. Sounds hella good. I like it. Think I only paid like 30 bucks. Not bad. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, it's not gonna record and play.